Hello, welcome. My name is Carlene Cadet Francois, and I help busy professionals open and operate successful assisted living facilities and group homes right here in Florida. Today, we're going to cover the requirements for window sizes. Today, we're going to answer the most commonly asked question: do my windows need to be a certain size? So, you're looking for a home or a building to convert into an assisted living or a group home, and you're just like, you're going to replace the windows, you're going to go through a renovation phase, and you want to do things the right way. And you're wondering, what about my window sizes? Is there a specific size that they need to be? Yes, but it varies from departments to departments. So how do you begin to find out what sizes your windows need to be? You need to reach out to the fire department, and that particular fire department will tell you what the policies and the procedures are for the window sizes. Just about every fire department have a different size that they want windows to be in case there is an emergency, and they want to have accessibility to come in and rescue your clients. You want to make sure you reach out. You can start with calling your local fire department, for example. And if they're not the ones who service your particular area, they will lead you to the one who does service it, and ask them for the policies and procedures for your windows and your door sizes. We know the door sizes have to be ADA compliant and at least 36 inches. We cover more of that from another video. You could go back and look at it. But for your windows, you need to reach out to your local fire department, and they will tell you what sizes your windows need to be. Once you know what sizes your windows need to be, then you can proceed to pulling up permits and doing what you need to do in order to replace the windows. But do not go ahead and replace all of your windows, and you're wondering, oh my God, they need it to be a certain size. Yes, this tip alone will save you thousands of dollars, okay? Because I have seen so many people that have gone through the nightmares. Either they'll buy a home that have stairs for an assisted living, and then they come to me, and you know, I have to deliver the bad news, right? It's funny when you are the ethical one, you have to tell the truth, and oftentimes the truth is not good news. And it's almost like, what do you do, right? But I have a responsibility to tell the truth. So stay away from buying a home with stairs for assisted living or group home. Stay away from replacing windows before you actually find out if there's a window requirement. I will tell you right now, just about every fire department have a window requirement that you have to meet. There is a minimum standards of windows, of door sizes. This industry is very rewarding, but it is very heavily regulated. And so oftentimes the little small things you don't know are what's really gonna hurt, or what's really gonna cause you to spend more than you anticipated. And so we help with this. We help you with navigating the zoning department. We help you with, if you're at the phase where you're doing renovations, we give you tips, we give you strategies that will save you a whole bunch of headaches, and sometimes a whole bunch of money, right? Because could you imagine you put up a whole bunch of windows and you find out that they are the wrong sizes of windows? It's a nightmare, right? And it's very expensive to do that. And so before you do any type of major renovations, check with your fire department. Make sure you work with a consultant that can help you. I spent most of my mornings navigating the zoning department, sitting on zoning meetings, making sure that my clients have the necessary paperwork, calling the city hall to make sure that I clarify things on behalf of my clients, because sometimes there are industry specific wording. You either know it or you don't. It's not rocket science. It's not difficult. It's just we all have our levels of expertise, and the little things you don't know or didn't explain the right way will cause you a whole bunch of irritation and headaches. and you just want to work with someone that have done the thing that they say they've done, that knows the process and is able to alleviate some of your stress, whether it's making that phone call to City Hall for you, responding to that email on your behalf, and clarifying misunderstandings, right? Because a lot of these entities, they don't want to give you a hard time. They just want to understand what is it that you're doing. And it's very difficult for you to answer that when you don't really know how to answer it, or you don't really know the proper words to use. And sometimes that's all it takes is for someone to explain uh, to these city officials what is it that you're doing, and then they'll help you. Sometimes you'll find the ones that actually want to give you a hard time, but 99.9% out of the time, they don't want to give you a hard time. They just want to be able to do their jobs. So I encourage you, don't be in this island by yourself getting lost. Find a mentor that will assist you. We provide mentorship, licensing mentorship. We provide services with helping you even after you open. And so if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe and share it with someone who will find it valuable. Until next time, I am happy to help you. And if you have any questions, don't be shy to reach out to us. Talk to you later.